All right, I'm gonna make a quick video on this device. This is a keypad garage door opener. It's one of those things you stick on the outside of your house, outside your garage door, type in a code, you can open and close your garage door without using a remote control or, whatever. So sometimes we'll use the garage here as like an in and out of the house. In fact, we actually do that most often. If we're going on a walk, we don't even go out the front door, we just go out of the garage. And so we always carry this thing around, but sometimes, you forget it or you don't know where it is or whatever. It'd be nice to be able just to have this. Also, like, if I'm doing yard work and I don't want to carry the remote control around to open and close the garage as I'm going in the front and backyards, this is nice. So I got this off of Amazon. I'll link it down below. And it should be a pretty straightforward thing. It basically works just like a remote control does, except it'll only actually send the signal if, oops, sorry, the light just turned off, if the code is entered correctly. So should be a straightforward install process. Let's see how it goes. Open the garage the old-fashioned way. So here's the actual device itself. It kind of looks like this. It's white. The garage door that I have is the linear 1/3 horsepower. Let me see. LD033, and it's supposed to be compatible with that. This is what it looks like on the outside. It's pretty, not too thin, not too fat. It lifts up just like so, and there's some instructions there, and then a keypad. I think it lights up. It also uses a 9-volt battery, and they surprisingly give you a battery pre-installed, so that's cool. It's a no-name battery, so it's not like who knows how long it's gonna last, but it's nice they give you a battery. So now we're going to program it and then mount it. The mounting should be pretty straightforward. It's just a couple of Phillips screws. They even give you some drywall anchors if you need those, and then it just goes right in the back. So to program this thing, you hold down the star and the pound buttons, and you keep them held until it stops flashing. There we go, let go. You type in a 4-digit code, and then you hit enter. That blinking means that it worked. Then you're gonna go up to your garage door opener and hit the learn button. Mine's on the other side, you just hit the learn button. I'm gonna do that now. It's right here. All right, it flashed, that's good. Now within 30 seconds, you're going to type your 4-digit code again and hit repeat or hit enter until the light turns off and on, which it just did on the first go. That's good. Now, it blinked a couple times, good. So now I'm gonna type in my code to test, hit enter, and there we go. Super cool. You can also stop it, make it go down. According to this, after you push the door opener will activate the keypad, or the door opener will activate. The keypad will remain for 20 seconds, and during this 20 seconds, push the enter button, and it can be used to start, stop, or reverse the door. I guess 20 seconds is up, or maybe it stops once it goes all the way down. Okay, so now I'm gonna go out and mount this thing. So let's put it up again, 4-digit code, enter. There we go. Let's go out and mount it. All right, so now I'm going to get ready to mount this thing. I just removed the battery cover. You can see one of the holes is down in here, and the other one is here, and it comes with 2 Phillips, so the plus kind things. This will slide up into that, and then the other one will go down. Secure, straight, and pretty good. All right, now it's time to test it out. So this is what it looks like on the side. Flip it up, type in my code, 4 digits, hit enter. There we go. Very good.